Hey everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. So let's solve a Leetcode question today. This is one of the November daily challenges. Build an array with stack operation. This question is marked as medium, but let's see if it's actually medium. Let's go to the question description. You are given an integer array target and an integer n. You have an empty stack with two following operations, push and pop. We know the operations of stack is. And what we have to return is return the stack operations needed to build target. If there are multiple valid answers, you can return any of them. Okay, so let's see an example if you're actually on the same page. There's an input like target array consisting of 1 and 3 and an integer n which is equal to 3, and the output should be an array consisting of the stack operation by which we can make an array which is equal to target. That's it. I think I'm good. Let's start coding. So before start coding, I would always suggest plan your code ahead. It's a basic ritual that we can follow always so that we don't get stuck in between. First of all, I need a variable so that I can navigate through the length of the target, because once we reach through the entire length of the target, we can stop the operation because we have got the stack operations that we have that we need to build the target. Okay, so variable to navigate through length of target. Okay, I'll just assign it as L is equal to 0. Then we need an array consisting of our stack operation. Array of stack operations. I'll mark it as result because that's the result that we have to return. The next is we have to iterate through the length of n so that we can do all the stack operations in order to build an array which is equal to target. Okay, so for I in range of 1 to n plus 1, we know the variable I used here L is for one more purpose, because if the L covers all the indexes in the target, we can stop the operations because we already done all the operations in order to make a target, right? So if L is greater than or equal to length of target, that's it. We have got the stack operations. So let's break it. Okay, if otherwise, until then, what we have to do is that we need to push all the elements into the array and check if that element is in target or if it's not equal to the element in the target. Okay, so first we have to do is a push. We have pushed the element, and if the element we pushed is not equal to the element in the target, what we have to do is just pop it. Okay, so if I not equal if I is not equal to target of L, if it's not equal to L, then what we have to do is a result dot append pop. We'll pop that element, obviously. Else, what do I have to do? Else, we need to increment the index of the target and navigate through all the indexes. So I just have to increment the index, that's L. I think we have covered almost every operations. I'll just see and try returning the result. Let's see how it goes. Yay! We got the answer. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching my video, and meet you on my next video, and let's solve more Leetcode questions together. Until then, bye bye.